Crazy. Ricardo, you remember this location,
Do
bro?
not.
Submerge him in there. Submerge him in there.
You're like a
Ah,
penguin.
what are you doing? Get off of me! I'm drowning.
I'm gonna fucking. This is
Again,
good.
bro. John again. You know what? I've never had penguin fucking chicken pieces, bro. Get in there.
Yo, is there a homeless man trying to
I
climb?
said, get your bitch ass in there.
Yo, what the fuck, bro?
I want a fillet panda now, bro. Come here. Oh,
You too.
No.
I want seafood.
Everyone jump him. Everyone jump him. Everyone jump Ricardo. Everyone jump Ricardo right now, bro.
No, please. No.
Oh, the shark is cooked.
I hate you. No.
The shark is only
Put him
getting
down.
grinded
You
over.
put him down.
Drown the homeless man. Drown him. Ricardo, sit on him. Ricardo, sit on him.
No move. I can't let Ricardo
You're a
win.
dumbass.
Yeah, this is good. We gotta.
Get off.
Fuck it, I'ma draw you both.
Hey, back shot. Yo, hey. Get a back shot.
And I gave him a surprise under the table.
Oh man.
Nah, what the fuck?
Chrissy, Drew, and Noah haven't won a single game.
I'm waiting for some penguin now. Come here.
You just triggered my fight or flight response. And I am a flightless bird.
This is winning.
Hey, Panda.
Hey, True.
Hey, Rhino.
How you doing? How you doing, bud?
Oh.
Yo, you got a quarter?
Wait, stop. Trust me. Move. We go here.
Actually,
Right?
if you got
Go
a
that
quarter.
side. Go that side of it. Or you go there. No, do not go there. Do not.
Oh,
Go there.
look at me.
Hey, what you doing? Uh-oh.
Ricardo, be careful, Ricardo. Ricardo. My brother, let me go. You know what? We're both dying.
Cause I tried to grab the wall. Wait, it wasn't letting me grab the wall.
Oh,
You're
damn.
not die, by the way.
He's not a flightless bird anymore.
Yo, what are you doing, bro? You trying to fist him? Did he?
He's not
Did he?
fisting.
Did he?
He's the one with the baby oil, bro.
I need to save that. You guys just see my point of view.
Oh my goodness, he was Diddy.
He is the one who took the baby
What are you
oil.
doing here? We just had a
It-
truce in the beginning of the round.
It was never
Yeah,
Diddy.
Here, bro.
I was for the beginning.
It was never Diddy with the baby oil. It was
Fly
Ricardo.
away.
He's no longer a flightless bird.
I can now fly.
Do not go. Oh yeah, Dub, yo, cook.
Oh, true.
Oh my goodness, the flightless bird won.
Bullshit.
The flightless bird.
Damn, that nigga got hops for being flightless.
I can't fly. I work on my upper body strength, bro. I had to gym every day.
Lighthouse.
Yeah, bro. I saw.
Oh.
Yeah, bro. I saw him there. Hello, True. Hello,
Well, I'll
Mario.
give you a quarter. Help me win.
Yo,
and
that
my
was
life is
so
yours.
easy.
He's gonna give me a quarter. I need to win this
broke
now.
that. You saw that, bro?
I don't have a quarter. Back
Oh.
up.
No, True's gonna give me a quarter. I need to win this. I need to give him the win.
Oh. That
Let me go,
quarter's mine.
flightless bird. Never mind, I'm lying. I'm coming back for my vengeance.
Ben,
There's a way to charge up headbutts. There's a way to charge up headbutts, and I'm about to hit y'all niggas with the Omega Cranium.
The phrase Omega Cranium is crazy.
Hit your ass with the. Let me go backwards real quick.
Fuck this one. Fuck this one.
Yo, leave him alone, bro. He's not gonna get my lunch for this evening.
You will die.
My biggest op. Get off me.
He's gonna give me my quarter, bro.
Oh man, he got hands. But so do I. Reverse curse technique, drop kick.
That's not reverse curse technique.
Sorry, my bad. Curse technique.
Oh,
Drag my nuts across your face.
gay. There is no land down there.
It's down there,
I-
bro. It's down there. Yo, that
I
hat is
can't-
heavy,
That
yeah.
head is crazy.
Get the fuck out of
Yo,
Who be funded
hold
quarter?
on. The flightless bird is winning. Oh, the flightless bird beat me. The flightless bird beat me.
Cook.
The flightless bird beat me.
Yo,
This
can you-
flightless bird is a menace.
Oh, I got you. I got
thank
you.
you.
That's a good idea. That's a good idea. That's it. Oh, my bad. My bad.
Yo, that wasn't by
No
accident.
way.
No.
That wasn't by accident,
No,
Ricardo.
nigga.
He threw you off.
Oh shit! Yo,
Dumbass.
the reversal. The reversal.
No. I refuse.
Flightless.
I'm not letting you have a perfect game.
I'm not letting you have a perfect game.
The flightless bird. The flightless bird.
Crazy.
He grabbed onto the train.
Damn, he was rolling.
We literally can't let
This
you
is
win now.
winning. This nigga's just winning.
From here on out, he cannot win.
Ring.
It's
Oh,
hands.
no.
I was born in the ring.
Flightless bird, you end today.
I was born in the ring. I was born in it.
I missed.
Everyone back off.
No, please, Ricardo, please. I
Everyone
just got
back
here,
off.
bro.
You don't know how many quarters I'm gonna be given if I beat you, Shrew.
Let go of my hands.
I can't let it.
We can't let the final game of the episode be a true perfect game.
Don't be like that. Don't be like that.
I refuse.
You let go of me.
You got it incorrect. The flightless bird is your main enemy. Why you fighting each other? The flightless bird.
I always come back.
I'm flipping
Let go,
Sakura,
Ricardo.
bro. Oh, actually, maybe not.
I'm about to say, you don't have 11 people trying to jump you.
I'm Mahito, bro. He gets a manual without me.
Oh my god.
We have to
I
get
truly
her
am a
out.
flightless bird.
No.
I truly am a flightless bird.
You traitor, Ricardo. You traitor.
No,
Throw him off.
I refuse. You can't beat Sakura.
The flightless bird. Let me get the flightless bird.
Wrong person.
Yes.
And for my personal victory.
Bird
They
is gone.
jumped me, bro. They jumped me. That's not
Flightless
fair.
bird is gone. The flightless.
I'm not gonna die, Ricardo.
That's crazy. That's actually crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy.
I had a fall on my side.
It's you and me.
We may have been allies before, but now I'm gonna cook you.
No. Damn.
God. He didn't even like toss you off the stage. He threw you off the stage.
Head first.
First.
Head first.
Maybe this time you'll learn.
Oh, yo.
No.
I know how I'm gonna win this. The flightless
Bring
bird
him to
isn't
the
gonna win
group.
this round. The flightless
Bring him
bird
to
is
the
not
group.
gonna. Give him to me. I'll take him to the depths.
No. We're going together.
No, we're not.
There's another.
The flightless
No,
bird
what
is
the
cooked.
fuck?
No, the flightless bird is coming back.
Safety
You're coming
warning.
back down
You got an
here.
achievement.
I thought you already.
Oh my God.
Yes,
Bro,
the
can I not
flightless
get
bird is
jumped,
cooked.
Yo, get Noah. Well, you guys are jumping me. Noah's out here
Let
climbing.
me go. Let me go. You don't want this. Ooh.
Let me go. Let me go.
No,
I'm sorry.
no.
I'm sorry. You must fall.
My aunt.
Yo,
Leave my fellow home. Leave my fellow homeless man alone,
my
bro.
hat. My
Leave my fellow
hat.
homeless. Leave my fellow homeless man alone, bro.
How did I get knocked out?
I don't know.
Oh, your hat.
Ricardo, don't make me take it to the group. The hat's so driving.
No.
Ricardo, maybe take it to the group.
Oh my God.
Come.
I just wanted some bamboo. Get off of me.
No.
Climb up, Ricardo. Climb up, Noah.
Toss
It's
me,
your lesson, bro. It's your lesson, bro.
Sink or swim.
Yeah, I
Oh,
just realized that pink goo is no skin. That nigga's probably made out of that shit.
Get back down there.
No.
Oh my God.
Oh, fuck. Wait.
Grab onto him. My hat came back.
Yeah,
it
it
got-
keeps coming back. He's stuck in the thing. He's stuck in it.
I'm gonna fucking kill you. Hey, yo.
He's down, bro. He's down.
No.
How did he start? Headbutt him.
This is bullshit.
Nah.
Damn, that panda, bro. That panda.
Damn.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
He won't let it happen again.
He's gonna let it happen
Drown
again.
him.
Come here.
Drown him.
Come here. Come
Ricardo,
here.
get your
Come
revenge.
here. We're gonna show you a secret swim.
Ricardo learned. Ricardo learned.
It's so close. I was so close
I
to
don't think
bringing
he's
him.
controlling that character with the controller, bro. It's gotta be with VR headset, bro. He's grabbing onto people and hitting haymakers. No way.
No, you can't do
Noah,
that.
We're going down, bro.
Yo, you fucking dickheads, bro. You broke it. I slipped in there. There's a safety hazard, bro.
Yeah, that shark is not even like in the game. He's here, but he's not even participating.
Yo. It's the beak. We cannot let him win.
Image, don't approach him.
Did my ping just say 999?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yo, drive. Okay.
We're both refreshed and ready to go. We're both
But
refreshed
I
and
will
ready
win.
to go.
No. Wake me up.
Feed it to the shark, bro. Feed it to the shark. Feed it to
Get
the
him,
shark.
shark. Get him, shark. What the
Yo, he's not.
Stop! Put this penguin in fucking in the NBA.
That shark is
Oh
coming.
no. The shark is
I
coming.
always
Shark is
come
not
back.
even playing the game, bro.
Let go of me.
I'ma drunk like I drunk Ricardo.
Let go of me!
I'ma drunk you like I drunk Ricardo.
Yo.
True one.
You know, it's funny because I may have knocked out Emmanuel, but he got up and I'm telling you, bro, there was an anime moment. He turned around and hit me so hard I did a whole ass backflip, bro.